In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wireframes in Miro. Wireframes are essential tools in the design process. They allow you to visualize the structure of your future app or website before diving into more detailed design work. Miro, with its intuitive interface and extensive template library, offers a straightforward way to build effective wireframes. We'll start by creating a new board. Once you've opened Miro, look for the option to start a new board. You will find a large plus sign or a button labeled Plus New Board. Click on this to launch a fresh workspace where you'll create your wireframe. If you prefer, you can also open an existing board where you might already have some elements or inspiration you'd like to incorporate. Next, we'll move on to using a wireframe template. This is a highly recommended step because templates can help streamline your process and provide a solid foundation, whether you are creating a complex website layout or a simple app design. On the left side of the Miro interface, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the Templates button there. Once the template gallery opens, use the search function to find wireframe. You'll see various options such as website wireframe, app wireframe, and low-fidelity wireframe. Browse through these offerings and select the one that best fits your project needs. Once you've made a decision, click Use Template to load it onto your board. This step sets a solid groundwork to guide you as you start adding more detailed elements. Now it's time to add wireframe elements to your board. Miro's wireframe library is conveniently located in the left toolbar, or you can access it from the Shapes menu. This library is your go-to resource for dragging and dropping various design components that form your wireframe. Start by incorporating essential elements such as buttons, which can represent actions users will take, like submitting a form or navigating to a new page. Text boxes are vital for displaying any text content or placeholders where text will eventually be, ensuring that your design accommodates for all necessary written material. Don't forget about navigation bars, as they are crucial for guiding your users through the app or website. Including placeholder images allows you to visualize where visual content will be integrated, maintaining an organized layout. Additionally, cards and containers can help arrange your content logically, grouping related items to enhance user experience. Take your time with each element, experimenting with layouts and arrangements until you find a structure that feels intuitive and user-friendly. Remember, wireframing is about exploring possibilities and refining ideas, so make use of Miro's collaborative features if you're working with a team. You can invite others to review and contribute, fostering a productive creative process. By following these steps, you'll develop a comprehensive wireframe that lays a strong foundation for further development and design. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide on creating wireframes in Miro helpful. Until next time, enjoy designing.